In three, two, one. Baby, I don't feel so good. 6 words you never understood. I'll never let you go. 5 words you never say. I laugh along like nothing's wrong. 4 days has never felt so long. If 3's a crowd and 2 is us, 1 slipped away. I just wanna make you feel okay, but all you do is look the other way. I can tell you how much I wish I didn't wanna stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. Is there a reason we're not through? Is there a 12-step just for you? Our conversations all in blue, 11 haze, 10 fingers staring out my hair. 9 times you never made it there. I ate alone at 7, you were 6 minutes away. How am I supposed to make you feel okay when all you do is walk the other way? I can tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. Spare my pride to give you lack of interest and explanation. Don't say I'm not your type, just say I'm not your preferred sexual orientation. I'm so selfish, but you make me feel helpless, yeah. And I can't stand another day. Stand another day. I just want to make you feel okay, but all you do is look the other way. I can tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. And I just kinda wish you were gay. Yeah, I just kinda wish you were gay. And I just kinda wish you were gay. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for watching. I truly can't thank you enough. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful sounding and looking uke you're playing? I love it. I need it. I want it. I got you. This is the solid concert mahogany ukulele from Enya. It has an awesome cherry blossom design on the headstock. And again, it's solid mahogany uke concert size in a really cool blue color. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon page if you want to go read the reviews, or if you want to go get it for you, your friend, your grandma, your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever. If you want it for yourself, if you want to treat yourself, this is an amazing uke, concert size uke, and it also does come with some awesome uke accessories. Highly recommend. Link will be in the description below. Thank you so much to Enya for making such an awesome uke. Also, if you're like, Ricky, I want to follow you on all the social medias because I love you so much. You're amazing. You're beautiful. You're handsome. You're humble. You're amazing. You're the best. I know. Links to all my socials will be down below, take you directly to them, or you can just search on all your social platforms, your favorites. You can just search Ricky Somborn and I will be there. Make sure to add me, send me a DM what video you came from. Also leave a comment below letting me know if you have any song recommendations or suggestions or just anything. Leave in the comments below. And what else? Links to my merch. If you want to support this channel, link to the merch store below, and also Patreon. I'd love if you go check out Patreon. That is also an extra support system that definitely helps this channel because we need it. We're growing still. But thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye. 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 Bye.